Hello everyone, welcome in today's class. Today we will study compound words. Students, what do you understand by compound words? Compound words are the words that are formed by joining two different words. Students, as you know that each word has its separate meaning, has its different meaning. After joining two different words, we get a new word, and this new word is known as compound words. Compound words has completely different meaning than the original meaning of the joined two words. Understood, students? So, what is the definition of compound words? Compound words are the new words that are formed by joining two different words. Students, to understand this definition, we will see some examples that are given here in your book. First example is eyebrow. Students, eyebrow is a combination of two words, eye and brow. And these two words have different meaning. But after joining together, it becomes eyebrow. Next example is eyelid. This is also a combination of two different words, eyelid. Eye and lid, and we get eyelid. Next example is sunflower. Sunflower is the name of a flower, and this word is also formed by joining two words, sun and flower, and we get sunflower. And the next example, also clear it, flower pot. Flower pot also is a combination of two different words, flower and pot. Flower has different meaning and pot also has different meaning, and both words after joining together give completely different meaning. Flower pot. To understand compound words and its formation, we will look some more examples that are given here in your book. Take a quick glance on them. Someday is formed by adding two words, some and day. Household is formed by adding two words, house and hold. Something is formed by adding two words, some and thing. Magic lamp is also formed by adding two words, magic lamp. Motherland is also formed by adding two words, mother and land. Firecrackers is also a combination of two different words, fire and crackers. Firefly also, fire and fly. Unconscious, un plus conscious. Showroom, show plus room. Ourselves, our plus selves. Notebook, note plus book. Everyone, every plus one. Nothing, no plus thing, nothing. Unjust, un plus just. Prayer assembly, prayer plus assembly. Classroom, class plus room. Fireworks, fire plus works. Understood, under plus stood. Overcome, over plus come. Untidy, un plus tidy. Unhappy also is a combination of two different words, un and happy. Newspaper, news has different meaning and paper has different meaning, but after joining them together it becomes newspaper, and newspaper has completely different from their two basic meanings. Yes, and wonderful. Wonderful is also a combination of two different words, wonder and full. Carefully. Carefully is also a combination of two different words, care and fully. Handmade also is combination of hand and made. Whatever, what plus ever. And teenage, teen plus is. Next, cobweb. There are so on many more examples. Cobweb, cob plus web. Every day, every plus day. Flower bed, flower plus bed. Chatterbox, chatter plus box. Dustbin, dust plus bin. Sleepless, sleep plus less. Unjust, un plus just. Goldsmith, gold plus smith. Impatient, im plus patient. Homework, home plus work. Playground, play plus ground. Water bodies, water plus bodies. Auto rickshaw, auto plus rickshaw. Students, now I will explain the meaning of all these words. Someday means किसी दिन. Household means घर से संबंधित. Something कुछ चीज. Magic lamp जादुई चिराग. Motherland motherland मातृभूमि. Firecrackers पटाखे. Fireflies जुगनू. Unconscious अचेत रहना, बेहोश हो जाना. Showroom showrooms. Ourselves हमें स्वयं के लिए. Notebooks ऐसी बुक जिसमें आप नोट कर सकें, लिख सकें अपने में. everyone हर एक, प्रत्येक. Nothing कुछ नहीं. Unjust अन्यायोचित. Prayer assembly प्रार्थना सभा. Classroom कक्ष. Fireworks. Understood समझा. Overcome जीत पाना, नियंत्रण पाना किसी चीज़ को, काबू में ले लेना. Untidy unhappy. Newspaper. Wonderful शानदार, अद्भुत. Carefully handmade whatever. Carefully सावधानी से. Handmade हाथ से बनी हुई चीज़. Whatever जो कुछ भी. Teenage किशोर वय. Cobweb मकड़ी का जाला. Everyday हर एक दिन. Flower bed फूलों की क्यारियाँ. Chatterbox बातूनी. डस्टबिन. Sleepless नींद ना आना. Unjust अन्यायोचित. Goldsmith सुनार. Impatient अधीर, बेचैन. Homework you know very well. And playground you know very well. Playground. Water bodies पानी वाली चीज़ें जहाँ पर पानी, just like sea, ocean and river and ponds etc. And auto rickshaw, it's a vehicle. Auto rickshaw. So there are many more words that you can frame, that you can form by adding two different words. Okay, so compound words are very useful, very important, very essential to make a language, to make a interesting or attractive language. Okay, and students, I hope you have understood the concept, this chapter, compound words. Let's solve the exercises given in this book. First is match A with B to form meaningful compound words. Overcome. Dust bin. Fire crackers. sun ray. Mother land. House hold. Chatter box. News paper. Flower bed. Show room. You got it? Next, in the next exercise, write the words from which these compound words has been formed. We have to write down the two different words that are used to form these words. Playground, play plus ground. Bedsheet, bed plus sheet. Whatever, what plus ever. Notebook, note plus book. Firefly, fire plus fly. Buttonhole, button plus hole. And next and last one is classroom. Class plus room. Okay. In the exercise third, fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the box. We have to fill these blanks by using the given words: lamp, bin, web, place, work, maid and room. Lamp, chirag, bin, box, web, जाल and place, जगह स्थान, work, कार्य, मेज, बनाए हुए, room, कक्ष. I threw the bits of paper in the dust bin. We will all make our classroom clean. Room. We fill here room. The cob web. We fill web here is on the wall. We use hand made. We fill here made. We use handmade paper arms and mask on Dashera. Whenever someone rub the magic lamp, we fill here lamp. The genie come out. Used to come out. We should be disciplined at our work. Work place. We should be disciplined at our work place. We fill here place. Okay, students, these are some exercises you will fill these exercises and write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.